What are you doing, thinkers? Buddy, you got the permanent green glowing eyeballs, don't you, thinkers? Rid of my curly. Get it ready for bed.